All your essential weather information, from live reports to site-specific forecasts and charts, should be easily accessible in your flight planning room. If you find yourself needing more, you can always request those details directly from the local forecast office. Across most of Europe, you can find exactly where to access your flight briefing data in this handy booklet titled Get Met. To discover more about Get Met or to order your own copy, just check out this website link. But what happens once you are actually in the cockpit? Is there a way to receive weather updates mid-flight? The answer is a resounding yes. There are several ways to grab the latest weather information while you are in the air. You can obtain it on request via radio from a flight information service or directly from air traffic control. Golf Romeo Charlie, Kingsbridge Tower, 0950 weather, surface wind 280 degrees at 7 knots, visibility 2.5 kilometers, nil weather. 2 octaves at 3000 feet, temperature plus 1.5, dew point 2.0 plus 5, QNH 1012. It's standard practice for air traffic control to pass along touchdown wind information as you approach your final. However, if there is any specific information you need, don't hesitate to ask. Golf Romeo Charlie final. Golf Romeo Charlie, cleared to land runway 24, surface wind 270 degrees at 8 knots. Another fantastic method is a system called Volmet. These ground-to-air transmissions provide METARs and forecasts for various aerodromes within your flight information region. These reports are read as plain language versions of the latest METARs and occasionally include trend forecasts and RVR values. Volmet transmissions are updated whenever new data arrives, which is typically every half hour. Some aerodromes also utilize a system called ATIS, which stands for Automatic Terminal Information Service. This is a pre-recorded message providing current aerodrome information, including the very latest weather. ATIS is usually broadcast on VOR or discrete frequencies so that it doesn't interfere with standard air traffic communications. Typically, an ATIS message is assigned an identification letter that increments each time the report is updated. You might even encounter two separate ATIS messages, one specifically for arrivals and one for departures. Welcome to Kingsbridge. Let's take a look at Information Bravo, valid at 1350 hours. We have winds at 220 degrees at 10 knots, visibility is 8 kilometers, with intermittent slight rain. Cloud cover consists of 3 octaves at 800 feet, 5 octaves at 1200 feet, and an overcast layer at 1600 feet. The temperature is plus 12, dew point 6, QNH is 1008, and we are landing on runway 26. Please remember to report that you have Information Bravo on your initial contact with Kingsbridge. Now, there are several other systems on the market that allow you to access the latest weather information while you are in flight. Some of these are fully integrated into the cockpit, while others download data onto a laptop or handheld device using a modem or mobile phone. We won't go into specific detail on these systems today, as the technology tends to evolve and change very quickly. However, the most reliable methods always available to you remain ATIS, Volmet, and direct communication with air traffic control. But please, always remember